Why is he entertaining this offer if there are no haggle deal?
4.75% financing. Are you planning to finance it?
I'd probably be financing, but so you guys would do like 40,000 then?
Probably not. They'll probably do what they have it advertised for, and I don't want to say this the wrong way. They're not going to cater to someone out of their primary market.
We're going to the Toyota TRD Off-Road. This guy's on my first to call list. We're going to test him out. Hey, Omar, how's it going?
Good and yourself?
Hey, man, doing well. Hey, my client will take that white one if you can get me a deal on it.
Okay, so we have the RAV4 TRD Off-Road. That one's not yet to arrive yet. It's arriving June 27th to July 11th. I'm not at the store.
Oh.
I'll try to run some numbers and send them back to you at this number.
Yeah. If you can run some numbers on it, that'd be great.
Okay, I'll get back to you in just a couple minutes. Give me roughly 10 minutes. I'm going to send it out to a friend that's at the store.
Okay, appreciate it.
Try to get you some numbers that way.
Okay, awesome. Sounds good. Thank you so much.
All right, no problem. Bye-bye.
Bye. TRD Off-Road. They have one in transit. Fine, let's call this dealership. But just see if this dealership is just willing to give away this car. Hey, Mike, how's it going?
Yeah, how's it going? How's it going?
Hey, man, I was seeing if you guys had a car still available.
Yeah, what kind of car are you looking at?
It is a RAV4 TRD Off-Road new.
Was it a gray one?
It is a gray one, magnetic gray metallic.
Okay, yeah, it looks like that one's in our allocation list.
Okay.
We just got it on our allocation, so it looks like it's set to be built tomorrow.
Oh.
And ETA to arrive at the dealership, however, is going to be anywhere between June 21st through July 1st.
Okay. Do you guys take like reservations to hold the car if we agree to numbers?
Yeah, we do reservations. So basically, we'll send you the quote, and if everything looks good to you, then we'll take a deposit.
Yeah, sure. Can you send me the quote?
Yeah, definitely. Give me 1 second. And what was your name?
My name is Tommy.
And what was a good zip code for you, Tommy?
I'm sorry, you said my zip code?
Yeah, zip code.
89113.
All right, I'm gonna I'll get the quote. Let me just double check to see if we could sell to out of state for the new vehicles. I think it should be fine. It's typically for vehicles that are like in higher demand that we're not able to sell out of state, but I'll double check for you.
Cool.
I'm gonna still get the quote for you.
Okay, awesome, great.
All right, cool, perfect. All right, give me a couple minutes to get this situated, and then I'll go ahead and send you the quotation, and I'm gonna just send you a quick text message too. If you don't mind opting in, I'm gonna send it right now.
Okay, yep. I will opt in. I got a message from you, and I will opt in right now.
All right, cool. Sounds good. Yeah, just give me a couple minutes, and I'll go ahead and get that situated and send it up to you.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, bye.
I feel like I would remember a website like Glendora. Yeah, I don't remember this at all. New inventory. They speak Spanish. That's good. That's good. Check mark. RAV4. They have 43 of them. Ooh, they do have a TRD Off-Road. It says they have his car. Let's call them. Let's call this dealership right here.
Thank you for choosing Toyota Glendora.
Hey, can I speak to somebody in sales?
Of course. And what kind of vehicle are you looking for?
I am looking for the Toyotas.
Okay. Specific model in mind?
A TRD Off-Road.
Tacoma, I'm assuming?
No, the RAV4.
Okay. RAV4, got it.
Why didn't you know that much information?
Those are probably the man and help you.
Hey, man, how's it going?
Good, how's it going?
Hey, doing well. Hey, I'm looking at a car in your lot. First off, I want to see if it's available.
Yeah, what's the name of which is the vehicle you're looking at?
I have a stock number if you're ready for it.
Yeah, no problem. Who am I speaking with?
My name's Tommy.
Tommy. Okay, give me 1 second.
Sure.
Is it a new or used?
It's
vehicle?
brand new.
Stock number?
Stock number is 24960. N is in Nancy.
Toyota RAV4 TRD.
Toyota RAV4 TRD Off-Road, correct.
Yes, perfect. That vehicle is still available and it's actually on the showroom floor.
Awesome, great. Well, hey, I'll be long story short. I'm looking at a few of these cars. I'm just trying to get the best possible deal on them. I know they're discontinuing them, so I'm just trying to get a really good deal on them. I've called a few different dealerships, but I'm ready to buy today if somebody can get me an awesome deal.
No problem. What is your zip code?
Yeah. Are you ready for it?
But
It's 89113.
where's that at? Is that
It's Vegas.
California?
Viva Las Vegas.
Let me just take a look at. I'm in Rialto within 5,000 miles.
Sure.
44.
Yeah, I know they're discontinuing them, so.
Now the car you're gonna register it in Vegas, right? So I'm
Yep.
assuming. Are you shipping it out there, or are you picking it up?
I can do either. I know if I ship it, I can avoid paying California tax, so.
Yeah, the only thing is that you just have to pay for the shipping company. I don't know what the difference. Tax is.
Yeah. I'll figure those logistics. If we can get to some great numbers, and I'm all for figuring all that out.
Yeah, because you're 8.7, 8.3 sales tax, which is going to be.
Save me a little money.
No, probably you drive out here, just take it. I mean, it's the same thing.
Oh,
To be
yes.
honest, because I think we're 10% refund fees, so dinner's gonna be like $700. I don't know what a shipping company costs, but most of them are anywhere between $1,000 to $1,500 if you ship it out. But it might be different with Vegas,
Yeah.
just because that customers ship out vehicles all the way to like Wyoming.
Yeah, I think that wouldn't be probably as bad. I do a lot of I buy a lot of cars, do a lot of shipping, so I imagine it'd be like $500-600 for that ship. But either way, I can figure that. I'll figure that logistics out. Let's step one, figure out a car price we agree to, and then if we do that, then
So that 42105 is MSRP. We don't mark them up. Normally we just a one price storage is MSRP, but
oh,
the most I'll probably be able to do is going to be $1,000 off of this car. There's
Eh.
only 47 out in Southern California within the next like 20 on the ground right now. You know, like 27 coming in the next 2 months. So probably there's a lot of them.
yeah. I mean, yeah. And I have another. I'll call this other dealership back. It's gonna give me a deal. Yeah, I think most of the problem is that they discontinued the car, not because it was super popular, because there wasn't a lot of people buying them. But it's all good. I'll just answer this other phone. I appreciate your time.
No problem.
This is Tommy.
By accident, did you, I'm at my desk here to get you a price on that RAV4. Did they
Oh.
call back yet?
I don't know which deal.
Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, barely, but I can hear you.
Oh, you can barely hear me?
It's all right. Are you in the state of California or are you out of state?
I'm in Vegas.
Okay. First thing we'd have to see is if the owner would even do an out-of-state deal.
It's like right across the border. It's not that far.
I know, but the owner's very old-fashioned. That typically doesn't involve himself with out-of-state deal too often.
Okay.
But I don't want to say yes or no indefinitely. I'm just told when people call from other states,
Go.
they'll even do an out-of-state deal.
Okay.
Let me
Yeah.
get you the information that you requested since I have it here almost in front of me.
Okay.
And my buddy who works down there at Centennial.
Oh, yeah. Good place.
Yeah, I've never been there, but he seems to like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we have that two-tone color one here, if I remember correctly.
Yep. That's the exact one.
Thanks for your patience, says this is logging in. You from Vegas, or is that just somewhere you moved to?
I moved to Vegas. I'm from Florida.
All right.
Yeah. Florida man, you know?
Well, man, I got buddies out there all over.
Oh, yeah. Where from?
I lived in Georgia for a while, but St. Simon's Island. My buddy lives in Jacksonville, Orange Park, and
Oh, yeah.
people up and down that.
Yeah. I lived about an hour away from Jacksonville. Good area.
You like it down here?
Oh, yeah. I mean, it's all hot. It's just a different type of hot.
Okay, RAV4 TRD off-road. This is magnetic gray with the ice thread. So they're doing 1,000 off MSRP,
Mm-hmm.
which MSRP, let me just double check. Window sticker. And there's no other difference. So the original MSRP is 42,265. We have it advertised at 41,265.
Okay. I'm trying to get to 39.
Yeah, it's a couple of things working against you. We're a no-haggle dealership, and you're out of state. So if you're calling that far away, the first indicator is going to be like, well, why don't you just go down to your local dealership and buy it and offer them 39, and then they'll say they don't have it. There's your first strike. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah. No, I'm just calling for competition. You know, I've always heard competition drives the price down. I'm willing to drive a little bit for a good deal. So my dealership has one. They have a white one, which I'm waiting on the numbers on right now. But if I can get one and a good deal and it makes sense, I'm all for doing it.
Invoice on it, 40,165. Let me see if there's any other rebates on it we can help with.
Why is he entertaining this offer if there are no haggle deal?
4.75% financing. Are you planning to finance it?
I'd probably be financing, but so you guys would do like 40,000 then?
Probably not. They'll probably do what they have it advertised for, and I don't want to say this the wrong way. They're not going to cater to someone out of their primary market out of state. If they do it, if they're looking to do an out of state deal, it's usually because the people were standing in our showroom floor willing to pay sticker price. It's not distressed merchandise, and there's really no reason for us to discount the car to an out of state client. I'll tell you, I will do this for you. I can put in an offer. I want to sell it at your number. What do you want to offer? 39?
Yeah, I mean 39 is great. Yeah, I'd come pick it up tomorrow for 39.
Okay, so 386-270-0224. Let me let the management know. This is Tommy.
Yep.
I don't mess up your name. Mikula?
Yep.
Bro, it sounds Hawaiian, boy. You know Florida?
Yeah. Florida boy, man. I'm sorry.
Yeah, let me go get, oh, okay, I see. It looks like Dion Simpson was the person. I just looked at your phone
Oh.
number, Dion.
Yeah.
Let me let Dion and the boss know that you're here for number 39. See what they say, you know what I mean? And you can
Yeah.
come tomorrow.
Yeah, I can come tomorrow.
I don't know how taxes and fees work out of state, so I want to ask my business office.
No.
Probably like a 1-day trip.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, we can figure that out.
All righty, let me get this to Dion. We'll get you a call back here momentarily. Dion's here right
Okay, sounds
now,
good.
and I'll go to the man.
Try it. Sounds good.
Thank you, brother.
Bye.
Thanks.
This is why right here we never trust a dealership that says no haggle. They're no haggle. Again, if you are truly a no haggle dealership, the answer would be, hey, sorry, the price is the price. We discount competitively.